I challenge them to show a single case against me. Where? Which case? Arvind Kejriwal, like a coward. মই এতিয়ালৈকে কোনো কেছ টেছ কৰা নাই কিন্তু ভাৰতত ক'বাত মোৰ বিৰুদ্ধে কেছ আছে নেকি ক'বাত গোটেই ভাৰতবৰ্ষত do any FIR is against me. I wanted to file a defamation case, but Arvind Kejriwal, like a coward, he spoke inside assembly. So let him come to Assam on 2nd and say that there is a case against Himanta Sarma. I will sue him right away. But he spoke that within the assembly. I challenge them to show a single case against me. Where? Which case? Which case is there against me? So let Kejriwal come on 2nd, speak against me a single word that I am corrupt. And next day I am going to file defamation case. The same thing I have done against Monish Kejriwal. Kya naam hai? Whatever he is. So the things you should not speak against somebody in Delhi Assembly where you know I am not there to defend. So what is the case against me? So somebody has misled all the people that there is some case against me. In entire India, there is no case against me except some cases filed by Congress people in various courts. But there is no case against me in before no agency, before no court, before no police station.
Sir, CLP